So to start with the modeling of the chair, you can use the default cube. Go to the front view, then press scaling. Now we can adjust the depth of the thickness of the chair. Alright, go to the top view, go to edit mode, Control R to add a loop cut. Add a loop cut on each side, Control R again, like this. Control R to add a horizontal loop cut. Again, Control R. Alright, go to face mode, select these small faces on each side, then press E to extrude. Okay, now the bottom part of the chair is done. What you need to do to extrude the support is this one, and select these faces and E to extrude. Then the support is done. So the whole chair is done within a minute. This is the simplest and easiest way of doing a simple chair in Blender.